Hello everyone, welcome back, and thank you for joining me again on my channel. Welcome also to my kitchen and to the month of February, Self-Love Month. Actually, I think every month should be Self-Love Month because it's important to give back to ourselves. And especially as women, we tend to nurture others, give a lot of energy out. And if we don't fill our self-love tank, then we can become depleted, and that doesn't serve anyone at all. Hi, I'm Karen, and I'm going to walk you through how to make a lovely root chakra foot soak. Say that really fast. So why a root chakra foot soak? Well, if you have seen my previous video, I talked about the root chakra and the color red and why it's so important to get balanced and feel grounded. The root chakra has to do with this feeling of feeling safe and secure. And the color red is associated with the root chakra, and February is the month of love. So we are starting with self-love first. Today, it's a very, very simple recipe, but I'm hoping you'll give it a try and then sit down and just breathe deeply while you soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. So I just start with a simple steel bowl because this is what I will be soaking my feet in after. And it starts with a half a cup of Himalayan pink sea salt. So that's half a cup. I'm going to put into my bowl. And then a half a cup of Epsom salts. Now, I keep my Epsom salts in a jar in my bathroom because I use it so often. And I'm going to take that half a cup measure, put it right there. Next is 2 tablespoons of baking soda because baking soda helps to keep the skin feeling very nice and smooth and helps, I think, to pull out some impurities. Then we're going to add 5 drops of 2 essential oils. The first one is Black Spruce because the Black Spruce is very grounding. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the other essential oil I'm using is frankincense. And again, 5 drops. And frankincense, 3, 4, 5, adds a protective energy and is grounding and soothing as well. And that's it. It's so simple. I just mix it up in my bowl. And then I can easily just take this bowl over to the sink, fill it with hot water, not so hot I can't put my feet in it, but hot water, and then I take it in, sit it beside my favorite chair, and I just made myself a small pot of coffee because I returned home from my exercise class, and I'm enjoying it in this pretty little cup. I really love drinking out of fancy cups and saucers. Makes me feel really special. And makes whatever I'm drinking just taste better. So I'm taking this and my foot soak in and giving myself 15 to 20 minutes to just breathe in and allow myself to feel that balancing and to relieve the stress, tension, anxiety, and give myself some much well-earned time for me. So thank you for watching. I hope you will leave a comment below as to whether or not you've tried this foot soak. And did you enjoy it? I love the smell of those essential oils. Also, I will leave the recipe in the links or the comments below. Just go to that more button and I'll write everything up there. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give me a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe. And I shall see you next week, continuing on this theme of red, love, getting grounded through that root chakra. So bye for now, and enjoy this time for yourself. Well, that was an easy and simple foot bath recipe to make. Now I'm sitting here, having my book to read, enjoying my tea, and just breathing for another 15 to 20 minutes. I hope you enjoy your time for self-nurturing as well. Bye for now.